If your Gimp crop tool is acting weird, don't worry. This is usually a quick fix, and in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to solve it step by step. We'll cover the most common crop tool errors in Gimp, including when the crop box disappears but the canvas stays the same, when nothing happens after you draw the crop, when the tool gets stuck in a tiny fixed size rectangle, and when cropping fills the background with a solid color instead of transparency. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes just like this. Alright, let's jump straight in. First, make sure you can see the tool options panel in Gimp, because most crop problems are fixed right there. If you can't find it, go up to Windows, then Dockable Windows, and then click Tool Options. This dock is where the important crop settings live, and once you know where it is, troubleshooting gets much easier. Now let's look at the first issue. If you crop an image, but the canvas size does not actually change, and you still see a large transparent or blank border around the image, the most likely reason is that Gimp is preserving the outer canvas. To fix that, select the crop tool, then look in Tool Options and check the box called Delete Cropped Pixels. When this option is off, Gimp treats the crop in a non-destructive way and leaves the original canvas area behind. Turning it on tells Gimp to actually remove everything outside the crop area. Also, if you see Current Layer Only checked, that can cause confusion too. That option crops just the active layer instead of the full image. So if your goal is to crop the entire image, uncheck Current Layer Only. That simple change often fixes the problem immediately. Next, let's say you draw the crop box, but nothing happens after that. This is another very common Gimp crop tool error, and it happens because the crop is not finished until you confirm it. After you draw and adjust the crop area, you need to press the Enter key on your keyboard. You can also double-click inside the highlighted crop box to apply it. If you don't do that final step, Gimp just keeps the crop selection active without making the change. So if it looks like the crop is not working, don't panic. Just confirm it with Enter or a double click. Now for the third issue. If the crop tool is stuck in a tiny rectangle, or it keeps forcing a fixed shape that you cannot freely resize, the culprit is usually the fixed setting in Tool Options. Look for the Fixed checkbox and uncheck it. If Fixed is enabled, Gimp will lock the crop to a specific aspect ratio or a specific pixel size, which can make it feel broken when you try to drag normally. Once you turn Fixed off, the crop tool should return to freeform mode, and you'll be able to resize the box normally again. Finally, let's talk about the situation where cropping leaves you with a solid background color instead of transparency. If your cropped area turns white, black, or whatever your background color happens to be, that usually means the layer does not have an alpha channel. To fix this, go to the Layers panel on the right side, right-click the current layer, and choose Add Alpha Channel. That adds transparency support to the layer, which is essential if you want clean cutouts or transparent edges after cropping. Once that's added, repeat the crop and you should get transparency instead of a solid fill. So to quickly recap, if the canvas stays the same, check Delete Cropped Pixels and make sure Current Layer Only is off. If nothing happens after drawing the box, press Enter or double-click to confirm. If the crop is stuck in a fixed box, turn off Fixed, and if the crop fills with a solid color, add an alpha channel first. These 4 fixes solve most Gimp crop tool problems in just a few minutes. If this video saved you time, please hit like and subscribe for more practical editing tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.